Hello, folks. It's today's my weekly. Today's a weekly. What's new? And what's new? Picked up a few new toys. I did a couple of reviews of them. Found this at home, and what do you call it? I was planning on making one of those little barbecue chimney tunnels there, charcoal tunnels, but I can't seem to find the right thickness. I'm not using 16 gauge sheet metal, and I know I have some thinner sheet metal because it doesn't have to be made. I don't think I think my sheet metal roller's made for 18 gauge or less, so it's not really made for running 16 or so. I have 12 gauge, 16 gauge, and a 14 and 15, I think. And no, it's just going to be too thick and heavy. I have some sheets of aluminum, but I don't want to use aluminum because it just sucks. I have some really rough stainless, which if I use stainless, I'm going to have to rivet it together. And I don't want it riveted. I want to use my spot welder to see how that works. So I'm going to go home and see if I can find some rusty sheets of metal that I know are... In my old garage, I made this little rack. It was a box. It was on the wall, and I used to stand half sheets in there. And I'm pretty sure there's some metal in there because when I fixed my hot water heater, which is attached to the wall above it, it was leaking, so I think they're all rusty. And there's a big sheet of copper over there. I have a big 4x6 sheet of copper, and just somebody gave me. Yeah, I paid like $40 for it. It's probably worth about 300. So anyway, that I'm going to be making this week because I want to barbecue at work. I'll probably record that. I will be continuing the little windy thing for my machinist vise. I also picked up the whoa, careful. I also picked up the little flap disc things to clean off the machinist vise. I'm going to take it apart, clean it off, and I probably can't paint it right now. I might just prime it. And I think I'm going to use a couple of 1000 grit sandpaper to just make it nice and shiny. And then I'll probably sandpaper her nose. So, how about that? Can I use a grinder on your nose? No, why not? It's fun. I picked up a couple of new vice grips. That'll be in the video. Tomorrow I'm going to go get some other stuff. I would like to buy it in a toolbox because I'm still thinking of buying a small toolbox to put over there next to the lathe. So, and if you can't see my head, it's because, well, we have it on an angle. The phone's way over there. And I now stand up. My microphone is now standing on this magnetic little thing here. Cool little microphone stand. And it's magnetic. You'll hear a chunk in a second. So I turned the heater off because, well, she wants to go home. So other than that, that's pretty much it. What is this? Right here? Yeah, that's just garbage. Thought it was something I forgot. And I will, I will be using when I'm by myself because these kids don't like loud noises and sparks and getting metal. I'm going to be making a grinder stand. That's what I got the magnets for. So I'm going to be doing 3 projects this week. And hopefully I'll get something done. Hopefully it'll be warmer out because it's getting really warm. It's getting, all week it's in the plus during the day and the negatives at night. So maple syrup is coming. So yeah, I'll get to eat some pancakes.
The skunk because it tastes like Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Huh. Anyway, as I get rudely interrupted, we will continue. So keep watching my channel. This video should be up Monday, hopefully, and possibly one of these videos will be up before Monday. Probably not, because I usually do videos in the week, and then I edit them at work during the week, and then I don't know what's going on here, but we'll figure it out later. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and you don't have to act like a... I don't know, whatever else you act like.
A bird?
Yeah, you don't have to act like a bird to be on video. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and God, I hope I get some likes on this video. Thanks for watching.